So now we'll start with mi down to so, and then from so down back to mi. So mi, which is an open string, now let's design the hands. Where does the hand fit? So this is our finger. Okay. For now, we are not using this. We are not going to use this finger. This is finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, and finger 4. For this particular exercise, we are not using finger 5. We are not using the thumb finger, and we are not using the first finger. We are only going to use finger 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. And this is how they will be placed on the guitar. Why are we not using finger 1? We are not using finger 1 because the note here, this is called the note. The note here is already acting as finger 1. So we can say this one is the note. So it's already acting as finger 1. So we only need finger 2 and 3. And we are using fret 1, 2, and 3 only. Where finger 1 is on the note here. So finger 2 is here. Finger 3 will take care of all the keys on fret 2, and finger 4 will take care of all the notes on fret 3. So this note is already serving as finger 1 in this case. So we do not need finger 1. And this is finger 2, finger 3, and finger 4. So we do not need finger 1 because the note here is already serving as finger 1. Those open keys are counted in this sequence. So that open key that we are starting with, which is mi, which is E, is already counted, and the note has already taken care of pressing it down. So that's why we are not using finger 1 for now. Okay, then finger 2 goes into fret 1. Any key that falls on fret 1, finger 2 will take care of it. All the keys that fall on fret 2, finger 3 will take care of it. All the keys that fall on fret 3, finger 4 will take care of it. So actually, we are using 4 frets, but 1 fret has been taken care of by this note. So this note has the power to serve as a fret in its capacity. So for now, this is a fret, so we can take this head as fret, like fret 0, so that we don't confuse the whole thing. It's like fret 0, fret 1, fret 2, fret 3. So actually, guitar starts from fret 0, which is up here, then fret 1, fret 2, fret 3. Or we can say the note fret 1, fret 2, fret 3. So it counts. So now this is our finger 1, we say is here, it's not doing any work today. And then we have finger 2. So our, this is free, mi, E, F. F sharp is not part of the C, so we skip it. So, which is G. After G, A is the open key. A is the open key. After A, B is there. And then, of course, C is the key. So, this is the open, which is A, then A sharp. So, B comes here. And then C, of course, is our principal key. You see, we have pressed how many things? We have played how many things before that C? We have 5 things. 1, which is the open. 2, 3, 4, which is the open. 5, so 6. This is contrary to the traditional way of counting, where we start counting just from do. No, here we have already counted mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, which is the 6th count, is only coming in the middle. Okay, so do, re, which is D. So this one is open D. Mi, E, F, F. Okay. So, which is in this case now is the G and it's open. Now we use our finger 3. La. This is our so. This is now our B. Then back to C. Do. Then we'll continue with re, re. Then mi now is open. Fa, so. So our so is the last. So basically what we have done is open, fa, so, open, 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 open. So let's come back. Open, 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 open. Okay, so this is the summary of it. So now for our drilling, do a thorough revision of the scale, where E is your mi, down to when G is your so on the same scale, and take them two strings after the other. Subscribe and let's stay on. Thank you.